Okay, now my student, here we are proceeding looking on the functions or the role of the gibberellins hormone. And another role here, we can say that it reverses the inhibition of the short growth and dormancy induced by abscisic acid. So pia hii inafanya kazi ya inhibition, and inhibition is the characteristic, or we can say that the feature of a plant hormone. It inhibits the short growth and dormancy, or short dormancy within a plant that is provided by this hormone, which is called the abscisic acid. Another role here, we can say that it breaks the seed dormancy. After breaking the seed dormancy is whereby it brings about growth of a plant. The seed dormancy, the state whereby the seed remain without growing to a new organism or new plant. Ni kile kipindi sasa mbegu ambapo imetunzwa, haitajiki tena kuvua lile koti kutengeneza a new plant. Sasa kile kipindi ndicho tunasema ni seed dormancy. So due to the presence of these gibberellins, they break down the presence of the seed dormancy within a seed. So those are the function of the gibberellin hormone. So now let's see the application of the synthetic gibberellin production. So remember, we are saying that also this gibberellin hormone, we have natural gibberellin hormone and also we have synthetic gibberellin hormone or artificial gibberellin hormone, the same as in the auxin hormone. So gibberellin pia ina uwezo wa kutengenezwa. Kwa hiyo sasa the function or the application of this gibberellin or synthetic gibberellin in the crops production, that is in agriculture. And here we are saying that the synthetic gibberellins have the following role in a plant. So that is artificial gibberellins. They promote a fruity settings. Promote also fruity setting, the same as in the auxin hormone does. So this also inafanya kazi ya kupromote fruit setting, that is without introduction of without fertilization, a plant can produce a fruit. That is we are calling parthenocapy. And another function we can say that they enhance malting in brewing industry. Kwa pia inafanya kazi ya malting in the brewing industry. That is the function of the synthetic gibberellins. Another function here, we can say that they are reverse genetic dwarfism. They reverse genetic dwarfism. Dwarfism ni kile kitendo sasa ule mti unadumaa. That is we are calling dwarfism. Sasa hii gibberellins hormone, it reverse genetic dwarfism. Tukisema reverse, meaning that it can enhance now growth to occur within a plant which is already dwarf. So this is the role of the that is the role of the gibberellins. And another one, we can say that they break the seed dormancy and hence bring about seed germination. The last function, we can say that they increase plant resistance to pests and diseases. So hii gibberellins hormone ndio ambayo inalinda mmea against any kind of pests and diseases that an organism or an insect can invade a plant. A good example, we have the beetles. Those red beetles, they affect much a plant species. But due to the presence of these gibberellins, they tend to fight against all of the pests and the diseases that might cause the effect within a plant. So that is the role of this plant species, or that is the role of the gibberellin hormone. And that is the end of the gibberellin hormone. So now we are going to start a new hormone, and this hormone, it is called the cytokinins. It is called the cytokinins. Also, this is the plant hormone. So what is this now cytokinins, and what are the function of it? We are saying that in cytokinins, that is SKS. That is CKS, sorry, this is CKS. So cytokinins are a group of the chemical that influence cell division and shoot formation in plant. So sasa hii cytokinin pia na yenyewe it is naturally found within a plant and it is involved in enhancing cell division to occur within a plant. And not only cell division, but also these cytokinins are involved in the shoot formation in a plant. When we are saying that shoot formation, that meaning that formation of a branch to occur within a plant. Nakuta mtu nakuwa na matawi mengi sana is due to the presence of these cytokinins that provide the effect within a plant. So now we can say that in the past, when the cytokinins were the first isolated from the yeast cell, they were called kinins. Hapo nyuma kabisa, kabla ya hii cytokinins kugundulika ipo katika mmea, tunasema kwamba hii cytokinins were isolated from a plant cell or from the yeast cell where they are called as kinins. So now they are found mostly in the regions of the rapid division, particularly in the seed and the fruit where the embryos develop. Baadaye sasa ndipo ambapo hii cytokinins ilikuja kugundulika kwamba ipo ndani ya ile sehemu ambazo za mmea zinazofanya cell division kwa urahisi zaidi. Here we are talking about the seed, is whereby cell division is occurring mostly, and there are also or rapid division is occur also, and also in the fruit whereby there is growing in embryo, thereby there is a rapid cell division, is whereby you can find these cytokinins there enhancing the cell division. So now we can say that due to that, cytokinins, they perform the following functions or the following roles. In the first role here, we are saying that they promote cell division in a presence of the auxin. So with the presence of the auxin, these cytokinins, they are used in promoting the cell division so that they work in relation of synergism. They perform the function together so as they can bring about cell division to occur within a plant. And another function, we can say that they induce delays in aminosenescences of the leaves and the fruits. So induce delays in essence of the leaves and so hii hapa ndio ambayo inatumika kuchelewesha ule mmea usiweze kuangusha majani yake na matunda siweze kuanguka kwa urahisi zaidi. So it's due to the presence of this plant hormone which is called cytokinins. Another function, we can say that they are responsible for mediating transportation of the auxin throughout the plant and affecting the internodal length and the growth. So they are responsible for mediating transportation of the auxin throughout the plant and affecting the internodal length and the growth of a plant. So this hormone, it is responsible for the internodal growth of a plant and the plant length and the growth in general by the presence of the auxin hormone. Another role of the cytokinin, we can say that they promote lateral bud growth. So this function the same as in the auxin hormone. So ina yenyewe inafanya kazi ya promotion of the lateral bud growth to occur within a plant. Another function, we can say that they encounter the apical dominancy induced by the auxin. So with the presence of the auxin together with the cytokinins is whereby to bring about the apical dominance within a plant. Lastly, we can say that the auxin hormone, they break seed and bud dormancy at appropriate temperature. So when the temperature is reaches, ndipo hapa sasa it break down the seed dormancy, ability of a seed to remain dormant, that we call seed dormant. So due to the presence of these cytokinins within a seed is whereby it's used to break down the seed dormants to occur within a plant or within the seed and to bring about the germination. So at appropriate temperature. So temperature kama itakuwa ni inahusika au ni sahihi, ndipo ambapo ita break down the seed dormancy within a plant. So my students, we have already seen all of the three. We have seen three plant hormone. The first one, it is called the auxin hormone. The second one, it is called the gibberellins. And now we have finalized by looking on the cytokinins hormone with the function. So my students, only here we have seen the function. So in the next session, it will be the continuation on where we end here, whereby we see the application of these cytokinins, synthetic cytokinins, in crop production or in agriculture, and we'll move more further to see abscisic acid, ethylene, and so on. So by saying so, and this marks the end of our today's session. Thank you for following us, Educare TZ, and bye-bye. Have a nice moment.